Singapore.
Oh my god, so dead.
Yeah, we're dead, we're tired. Waiting for our grab. Yep, my man's over here just crashed into a wall. Here we go. What's up, boy? Wow, I'm sweaty. Look how shiny I am.
Look at those trains. Made it!
Might stay there tonight. Let's see.
You know how much we're gonna see today?
Jenna forgot a belt, so trying to find Zara.
I'm currently using these pins.
Yep. We'll wish us luck. Rented these bikes for free. Casually riding around Singapore.
What's up, everyone? We finally made it here.
So we're out here, Marina Bay Sands, something like that.
This guy.
Look at the view. Maybe we'll be here tonight, tomorrow night, who knows? We'll see. Ride bikes around where? What's it called? Marina Bay
Marina
something?
Bay Garden?
Yeah, or Marina Gardens, Bay Gardens, Garden by the Bay. I think it was Garden by the Bay, maybe? I don't know. We're gonna go ride some bikes and chill.
The only way we'll get a breeze here.
Yeah, exactly. Check out the view. Leaving the Marina Bay Sands, and we run into these two babies here. Although they're $700 to take a ride in, and you can't even drive it. They're cute, they're cute. So you want to check out our rides? You know what our rides are? Hey Jenna, you know what our rides are though? We have even better rides.
Oh yeah.
Let's go check out our rides. Alright, you guys ready? Let's check out our rides. There's these rides here. You know, those are cute and all, but nope. We got better rides. Alright, we found our rides. Somebody must have moved our rides. I'm gonna go over here. Gonna whip out the phone. Alright, let's see. Go to our app, right? We're gonna click unlock. Right? You're gonna go. Oh, wait. Alright, we're back. We had a technical difficulty. So check out our rides. I'm gonna click unlock. Boom, done. Can you go faster? Alright, so we just left Marina Bay Sands, if I ever get that right. Jenna can't seem to ride a bike, so I'm gonna go ahead of her.
Together.
She's trying to like record on her bike. We made it. How's it going, Jenna?
Going.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, and we're back. We're gonna attempt to cross this road. Left, 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 left. Alright, we successfully crossed. And we're now going to this park that I can't remember the name of. It's like Marina Bay Park, Marina Bay something, Marine, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Casual ride through the park. That's where we're going. All the way over there. I think that's a broken OFO. R.I.P. Alright, so we just ran into a small problem. We rented the OFO bikes, I guess we're gonna call it. And well, we ran into a bunch of bikes. We were gonna look for one that had gears on it. We figured out why there's a ton of bikes here. And that's because the sidewalk ends over there. Check it out. I want to go swimming right now, it's so hot.
The candy's free. It's a fish.
Where? Oh look, a fish.
Hello, Mr. Fish. Look, and more fish.
Fish. It's a fish. Hello, fish. Jenna's gonna go steal a bike, I think. I don't think we can steal them. Yeah, those are them. Ah, damn it. Okay, bye. We gotta find some bikes. Yeah, we didn't want those bikes anyways, you know, they sucked. Just kidding. Look at this. Look how beautiful that is. How's the Singapore life treating you?
It's really nice. Do you have a tan yet?
No. Good try though. We're gonna be documenting the process of Instagram pictures and Facebook profile pictures. Here we go. Here's case study number 1. You go get it, girl. She's killing it.
Yo, you Instagram famous?
I am.
You YouTube famous too?
Yeah, I do YouTube.
No way. Can I get your autograph?
Yeah. Alright, so Jenna decided she wants to go climb. Ooh, this is cool.
This bomba.
She wants to go climb on this. But I don't think we're allowed to. And I'm pretty sure it ends somewhere over there. Jenna, what was the name of this park?
Gardens by the Bay.
Gardens by the Bay, not Marina Bay Gardens, not anything like that.
Yeah, we totally.
Yeah, we totally messed that one. Should we go check out this cool architectural thing over here?
I think so. It's better for our sketchbook.
Beautiful. So we're getting thirsty. We need some waters.
I'm pretty sure this is the longest video we've ever taken.
Yeah, we're doing a lot of vlogging today.
Vlogging?
Whatever that means.
I want to create a new word.
Yeah, we're gonna create a new word. We're gonna start a new trend.
You know what? We're gonna use Gary Vee's word. We're gonna call it documenting reality. Got
Yeah,
that?
so we're gonna scratch that one. Yeah, day 1 in, I was gonna say Kuala Lumpur, but we're never going there again. Marina Bay Sands over there. And then you got this awesome skyline. And then you have this little baby. What? I found a gecko. Hopefully he doesn't move. No, 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 no. Buddy, buddy, stay there. Stay there. Hi, buddy.
I really don't want to get caught in the rain.
So it's about to rain. And it's getting closer and closer, so we gotta get out of here. Oh, and there goes the thunder. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna set up a time lapse. We're gonna watch the rain come in. Here as quick as possible. Oh my god, let's find a real place. Jenna, you don't need Wi-Fi that quick. Let's find a real place. I don't know, not Superheroes Cafe.
I don't want to be in the rain.
Jenny, you're killing me. Jenna is freaking out because she wants to call someone and she's talking about business opportunity. I don't know. She's trying to find Wi-Fi. I'm trying to eat good food. Ooh, cafe and bar. Should we go to this? See? Or no? Yes, no? Jenna, here's another place. I'm just trying to find some food here in Singapore. Let's check out this view over here. Crazy. Trying to find food and get out of the rain and find Wi-Fi. Towers. Don't know which way. A burger, noodles, anything. So I swear, there are no crosswalks in this entire city. It took us like 5 minutes to find one, and we have 1 second left, and we're not gonna make it.